Bitcoin is a digital asset that has transformed the way people think about money and investing. Launched in 2009 by an anonymous creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was designed as a decentralized currency, free from the control of governments and central banks. Over the years, it has gained significant attention for its innovative use of blockchain technology, which ensures secure and transparent transactions. As its value and acceptance have grown, Bitcoin has attracted a diverse range of investors, from individuals to large institutions seeking new opportunities in the evolving financial landscape. Several key factors shape the long-term value of Bitcoin. Scarcity plays a central role, as the total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, making it resistant to inflation. Adoption trends also significantly impact value, with increasing acceptance by individuals, businesses, and institutional investors driving demand. Regulatory developments can either bolster confidence or introduce uncertainty, depending on how governments approach digital assets. Finally, technological advancements, such as improvements in blockchain scalability and security, help ensure Bitcoin remains relevant and resilient in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Holding Bitcoin as a long-term investment presents both significant risks and potential rewards. The cryptocurrency market is known for its high volatility, with prices often experiencing dramatic swings in short periods. This unpredictability can lead to substantial gains, but also exposes investors to the possibility of sharp losses. Including Bitcoin in a diversified portfolio may help balance risk, as its price movements sometimes differ from traditional assets like stocks and bonds. However, investors should carefully consider their risk tolerance and investment goals before committing to Bitcoin for the long term. In summary, Bitcoin continues to generate debate among investors and financial experts regarding its long-term potential. While its history of volatility and regulatory uncertainty present notable risks, many see its limited supply and growing institutional interest as positive indicators for future value. Some experts argue that Bitcoin could serve as a digital store of value, while others caution against its unpredictable price swings. Ultimately, whether Bitcoin is a viable long-term buy depends on individual risk tolerance and belief in the future of decentralized digital assets. As with any investment, careful consideration and ongoing research are essential.